So guys, I was at cookware style shop yesterday, and I bought this. These are sell Enamel casserole. So guys, the best pot, the healthy pot to cook with. They're usually Enamel. We have grass, then cast iron, and stainless steel. So when I went there yesterday and I saw this pot, I decided they have to come with them home, and so that's what I want to unbox together. Maybe in future I'll give my feedback. I remember I used to have like serving dishes for Enamel. I never even knew that they cook. But if you check the best pots to cook, nowadays we have been having issues with cancer. So if it's possible, one should avoid as much as possible to use non-stick. We were told they were not good. They had like cancerous elements. So I think it would be good to avoid non-stick as much as possible. If you can afford cast iron, that's the best pot. So here I got this Enamel. I don't know whether guys you can see how this is how. So that was one pot. That is the biggest. This was not the color that I wanted, but they found that the color that I wanted was out of stock. But I still think this one is still okay. Yeah, so there were 3, and they were going for 4800, and I can't wait to cook with these pots. So they were 3 like that, and then the covers. I told you that they're going for the lids with this. So I would wish this pot they have like the lid are not glass, but that's how they came. Like so. I'm so excited, guys. Yes, I'm one person who have not invested in pots. Yes, so I decided that I'm going to buy this. Even in future, as I desire to own. In future, I desire to own castor oil. Yes, that's my ideal. So I'm trying to fix this. So don't know whether I think I should put this. And does this one go? It's like that. And guys, Shiko was there. She was shooting. Yeah, but I never managed to see her. It was my first time to go there. Yes, it was my first time to go there. I feel like she's so blessed. I think I do not have to put this white stuff. So I think it should be like that. That's my second. So like this you can. I did put it the wrong way. I have put it the wrong way. Yeah, but you get the taste. I'm going to remove it. Yeah, so that's my set. Thank you. So guys, I was able to look okay. So this, I think this is so nice because this one you can cook with it and you can serve with it. Yeah, so I have to cook dinner and I won't use this one. So thank you guys for watching. So this is what I use to cook dinner. Yes, thank you guys for watching. So guys, my stew there. And don't ask me why it's mixed grill. Yeah,